Hello, my name is Sarah Mbura Mwekwade, a Director of Conservation and Environmental Outreach at Terra Viva. Today, we invite you to join our two impactful initiatives creating a positive change in our environment. The first one is Tree Planting Initiative, and the second is the Girl Empowerment Initiative. Through tree planting initiatives, we protecting the environment by planting and nurturing trees in schools and communities. With a pledge of 5,000 Tanzania shillings, you can support to plant and care one trees or contribute more to support environmental restoration. Through the Girl Empowerment Initiative, we provide girls with reproductive health education and menstrual hygiene solution so that they can stay in school and achieve their dreams. With 15,000 Tanzania shillings, you can support one girl with a reusable sanitary pad package. Also, you can support by providing 30,000 Tanzania shillings for reproductive health education session. Second, you can provide 100,000 Tanzania shillings to support school awareness campaign. Third, you can support 250,000 Tanzania shillings to support outreach activities for vulnerable girls. Every contribution matters. Your support can plant a tree, empower a girl, and transform a community. Join us today and be part of the solution. I am Stella Mbura Mwikwabe from Terra Viva. Thank you for your support.